2020. I'm now in Vancouver. Now is Hong Kong time or Asian time is October the 2nd. New Zealand also October the 2nd. In Asian time, Taiwan time, Hong Kong time will be around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Vancouver time now here is almost 12 midnight on October 1st. Today is the Mid-Autumn Festival. So, it's time to celebrate in a lot of Asian cities. So I wish all the best to those audience on today's special day. Now let's talk about the stock market and also about the economics. And we start with United States of America. That means DJI. So for DJI, okay, Dow Jones Industrial Average today actually closing at 27816. You can see on the screen. Okay, the president debate, first one was about a day ago, the end of September. Okay, and during that day, okay, Donald Trump and Joe Biden has a TV debate the first time in America, and a lot of people watch this debate already. Although it's difficult to say who win or who lose. Some people said Joe Biden win. Somebody said, Donald Trump won the debate. But however, what I expect, the president election of United States and the stock market, this relationship was like this. If most likely the outcome, if Donald Trump is going to win the election or being reselected, then Dow Jones Industrial Average will go up. The stock market will go up. But if Joe Biden won the election, then the stock market will just go horizontally, just a little bit, but then will go horizontally. So you will not expect the stock market will go up immediately. Okay, and so when Donald Trump is in statistic, by this statistic, the election poll showing that Donald Trump has less support. Okay, then you can see the Dow Jones Industrial Average is going down. Okay. And until there will be a debate. So about 3 days before the debate, then the Dow Jones Industrial Average start to go up a little bit. Hopefully, investors hope that Donald Trump may, get some advantages after the debate. But unfortunately, the first debate does not show a big difference between the two candidates. So in this case, the stock market go horizontally. Anyway, from now on to November 3rd, okay, I would expect that the Dow Jones Industrial Average will stay in between these 2 points, about 29,000, the peak, and also the bottom is around 26,500 points. Okay, that means in between these 2 points, the low point here and the upper point here. Okay, during this election period, and right now it's in the middle. So individual stock, we will look at it. But how about the S&P 500? Okay, also showing the same trend. That is, the peak is here, and the bottom is around 3209, and the top is around 3588. So from now to November 3rd, we expect that the index will fall in between these 2 points. Okay, and how about Nasdaq? Nasdaq closing at 11326 and showing the same signal in the middle of 2 points, the peak, and also the bottom, 10520. Now it's in the middle. Okay, so how about individual stock? Okay, let's take a look. Okay, American market. we look at some popular stock. Okay, let's say for example Apple computer. Okay, about 6-7 trading days before come to around 105 that price, and now it is 116. Okay, so I check up Apple, I check up a few stock like Tesla and so on. They all show the same trend as Dow Jones Industrial Average. So it means that if Dow Jones go down, this few stock also will go down. If Dow Jones go up, this few stock will also go up within this month in October. And hopefully, if October does not have any other surprise, then you should expect that the American stock market will be just like this, fluctuate up and down at this current level. Tesla is right here. Can you see that? Yeah, the peak and the bottom. Okay, and now in between. Okay, now it's $448. Okay, so how about other markets in the world? Okay, Taiwan market. Okay, about 10 trading days before, still at around at the peak level, and trying to go beyond the peak. But however, because of the election in America, and since the statistics of Donald Trump going down, the polls of support of Donald Trump was not that good compared to Joe Biden. There were always about 8% differences. So in this case, okay, if Donald Trump is going to lose the election, stock market in America will go down. Now, so Taiwanese stock market follow American market. So in this case, Taiwanese market also cannot go beyond the peak. Okay, the peak was about 13,000, close to 13,000 points. So because you cannot go beyond, and so in this case, it just adjusts immediately. Now, and also quite a lot, come to almost 12149. If Donald Trump not elected and Joe Biden became the president, I expect that there will be fluctuation in Taiwan stock market. So the Taiwan stock market price will go, further down. And also, recently there may be war in between America and United States of America and the Communist China, or there may be war in between Communist China and Taiwan. So Communist China, if attack Taiwan, it's a worry, or there will be a risk, that the Communist China will do that. So in this case, we expect that the Taiwanese stock market currently will have no chance to go up and go beyond 13,000. So it's not good timing to hold the Taiwanese stock at this moment, unless Donald Trump won the election or win the election on November 3rd, and then you can invest all your money into the Taiwanese market, and you will go beyond 13,000. That's very, very simple. How about Japan market? Japan market is right here. Well, no matter Joe Biden or Donald Trump wins, either one, okay, still they will have close relationship with Japan. So the effect in Japan was not that obvious. So in this case, Japan stock market, no matter what, was still going horizontally. But if Donald Trump won the election, I also expect that Japanese stock market will still going up, but not that much, but slightly go towards 24,000. How about the stock market in England? In England, you look at this analysis, you found that, oh my goodness, okay, probably because the COVID-19 in England is coming back again, and the Prime Minister Boris Johnson yesterday still announced that England is, beware of the COVID-19 and should be careful about that. So, in the short run, the stock market in England will not go up. The supporting point, okay, is at around 5771. So when it comes to 5771, I expect that the financial, market in London should be okay, should stay at that level. So that means to go down beyond this supporting line is not likely to happen. Singapore market, oh my goodness, okay, not good at all. So still going down, okay, but almost it's going down, decreasing at a decreasing rate, and almost probably come to the bottom, probably. I hope so, okay. And so at current level should be the bottom level for next few months. But will it go up? I don't see any good news. So I can only expect that the STI index of Singapore will struggling around 2500 for next few months, okay. But if there are some bad news to come, then it will go down, further down. I don't see anything that they will go up. Even though Donald Trump won the election, it won't help Singapore too much, okay. Wow, okay, I already talked about most of the stock market in in this America and so on. Let's take a look at a few stock, okay. For example, right here, okay, I got some stock. For example, 1810 in Hong Kong. This one, okay, still going down, 1810, okay, they manufacture and sell mobile phone, and still going down, and most likely, okay, next stop will be around $18.50. Now it's $20.45. So there will be another $2 drops, minimum $2 drops, okay. As I said, I will only talk about future. Only talk about tomorrow's stock price, okay. So for last 3 years. So if you are interested to invest, then of course you are welcome to share this video to your friend, subscribe this video, and this is a voluntary non-profit making channel. I never earn any money from this channel. I never aim to target a lot of audience in this channel. It's just a voluntary, free channel to share the stock information. 1810 still will go down. So if you remember this, will help you to save money. And how about BP? By looking at BP, you can see that BP is going down almost to a bottom. And this bottom happened to be March 18. And the price on March 18, it was about, let me see, $15.51. $15.51. Let me see. Yeah. So now it's almost $15.51. Now it's almost about, $16.83. So it'll be about $1.20 more, and you come to the bottom. $1.20 more, you come to the bottom. Okay. Can it stay at that bottom? Most likely it should be okay. Okay. So about $1 more dropping, then maybe a good timing to catch BP for a big elevation ride. But this is of course risky. High risk, high return. Okay, so keep in mind, watch this BP. Okay, see whether you earn money or not. But don't let it drop below $15.51. If BP drop below $15.51, sell all out immediately. Okay, and then you can cut your loss. Alright, so this is all about the worldwide markets by Leung, and my video only talk about futures of the stock market, and financial news talk about what happened in the past, but what happened in the past will not earn money. What happened tomorrow will help investor to earn money. And if you find that my information is helpful, my analysis is helpful, so feel free to share with others. On the other hand, all my analysis are unique and created and made by myself, and never copy from anywhere, because I never look at any other financial analysis. Believe it or not, people may copy from me. I never look at other analysis. I only watch news, financial news. Thanks for sharing. This is Appl on October the 1st. I'm coming to October the 2nd already. Thank you. Bye bye.